Okay. Yeah, we should be live right now. Hello, everybody. It's me again, Demon. So, today we're back in JJS to keep working on the skill on my moveset. And today I've gotten some good old few mesh parts. And I'm using my keyboard for this time. I'm thinking auto save so much right now because it saved my little thing. So my thing, the progress we made yesterday, and I'm so glad that it did. Thank you TC for adding fucking that feature today because it. Whew, I almost thought I would have lost it, but thanks to it, I didn't. Yeah, and I also have gotten some Black Flash sound effects, I think. I just need to figure out what sound it was again. Eh. No, hollow couple. Sound them. There, I'm just gonna do. Eh. Put that box down, bro. Eh. I don't really kind of remember. I need to look at my phone. I think I have it on my phone right now. Maybe not. Maybe I do. So I think I actually gonna need to do this with my actual typing and shit, because otherwise it might not work. I need to go ahead use my thing because it's a little bit easier when I do it like this. So firstly we're gonna put it to one. I don't really know. I think the first thing I took was something, I don't know. So that's not a sound idea. No, we know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we just did 5, right? Two? No, that's the wrong one. It didn't work. That also didn't work. That's the same punch sound effect. Dang. No, still not the right one. Maybe it was one. Nope, not this. That's also not it. Yeah, I have a lot of texture IDs, alright? And other stuff. I have a lot of stuff in. Still not the blah blah sound. I'm gonna get the ID from my phone. I should have it if I go on my phone. Just wait a second. Hello there, one viewer. Nice to see you here. if I just go to create on my phone and look up the thing for, if I go to start and go to sound effects, so sounds and stuff, like where is it, audio, and search up black flash. Wait, do y'all think this is good? I'ma get it and use it. Then I'm gonna need to go to notes and copy the there. Alright, here stands the 1, 3, 8, 4, 1, 8, 5, 9, 1, 1, 3, 4. Wait. 9, 9, and 8. A little bit delayed. There we go. Let's turn this on. My keyboard. Should connect in a sec. Yeah. So this we're gonna go ahead and duplicate. Wait, what is? Should we make it fast? We're gonna make it fast. 1.5. Oh, how does that sound? That's too fast. One is enough. So after every hitbox, we're gonna paste it in. Yeah. Paste it. No. Paste it in. The hitboxes. Now, legitimately, I'm really trying hard to do this with my keyboard. Yeah. Then we go down. No, not like that. We go down. There. Paste it in. Go down again. Then we need to click on hitbox, then paste it in. Paste it in again. Elbow drop. I think I'll do a little different one for this. This one, if I just go to my clipboard. Wait, what? Fuck. You gotta paste it in again. So then we have that. We yeah, that's good. So as we just heard, it just made the normal hit sound as we did this when it was nil. I don't know if it was a coincidence or not, but yeah, no. We gotta use the little we gotta use this window. I think it was this one. Yeah, we're gonna do that. There, the kill, mission limitless, detach, retach. What? I guess I forgot there was something. Yeah. Yeah. Shift. We gotta walk over here back to this. We have to work on, not on the wall. Yeah. Here. We have to work on pure hatred. I have searched out a few IDs on this. So a few little visual effect IDs, and these visual effect IDs are so the mesh part IDs I got in here on mesh. I forgot to if I go here and do that, I think I have written it down as well. Yeah, 1 8 4 5 1 3 5 3 5 7 3 3 5 3 2. This I don't know if oh no, that was for the fuck shit. That is for something different. Don't worry about it for that. That was for the hollow purple, or my hollow red, as I always say that is. Here now, no, these are the actual keys I took for this, and I'm actually gonna use the ID I use for the weapons, and that is 971478449 4. Yeah, exactly. And now we need to rotate it a bit, so we'll get this is up, this is to the right and stuff. If we put in 90 now, we use 90, enter. Doesn't do shit. But we put 108, 180, doesn't do shit still. Why it doesn't turn, I do not know. 180 here maybe. And it goes forward. I put it in the wrong one. Well, 180. What does it do? It doesn't do anything. I don't understand why it doesn't do anything right now. Like, dude. Why don't you want to return? Do I need to in here as well? 180. That good for. Why won't it turn? It doesn't want to turn, right? Guess we're not using that. It's actually kind of stupid. I can't lie. It won't work, man. F6. These are claws. No, wait. These are for one of the M1s. In the ultimate. I don't know why, but I kind of want to have like the character have claws in the ultimate. Don't ask. Just don't ask. Alright, we gotta put in the texture ID again. We got it again. And we'll need to go down. Make it go forward a bit. Well, I'm just gonna put 4 real quick. A little bit more. Need to be maybe 9. Yeah, 9 is good. Get it to be a little bit up. Enter. Because it's the Utah beam animation, and then he just puts his hand up, kind of. Rotation. 360. And then here, 360 as well. Does it spin? No, it does not. Why won't the mesh parts move today, bro? Yeah. Well, that actually worked. What if I put 360 here? And put here 360 as well. Then here. Oh yeah, then here it's nothing because it doesn't want to go. Why am I speaking like this again? I keep doing it and I don't actually need to do it. It's just bleh. Annoying as fuck. There's a problem. I find myself annoying. That is a problem. No, it stays one time. How long is Utah beam? There. 2 seconds. .33 seconds. Yeah. But that's not all. We still have another thing to do with the beam. Because we can't just make it the outer side now, can we? Is it this one? No. Maybe this one. Nope. Not that one. Yep, the wrong one. That is for when you die and you fucking don't know anymore, like 5. When you use 5 and die. Yeah. Clipboard in. No. Eh. Way too big. Jesus. I did it again. Why? Why do I keep doing this? 0.5, man. That's what the hell? It's still too big. It is still way too fucking big. Jeez. 0. No, the 5. What happens then? Oh, it gets small. Why does it get smaller? 0.2 to 1. Enter. It just stays the same, alright. It goes from 2, 1 to 2. And this goes 1 to fucking 2. Jesus. It's way too big. Like, I do not know why it gets smaller. If I make it go to 1, it stays the same. I don't know why it will work, but alright. Let's see, can this rotate at least? Please tell me you can rotate it. No, you can't. Of course. Why would it be able to? Anyways. I do not know if they go with the... Alright, I think we'll need to move them a little bit to the side. And by going... Which one is the fuck? My keyboard is kind of weird, alright? I always need to test out every single one of these little things. Otherwise, I never find the fucking minus. Wait, no, that's... There we go. Minus, like, 0. Fucking 5. Enter. But so does this. It also.
That was Ordinary from Ordinary by Alex Warren.
What the fuck? I do not know why I just said that, but alright. And anyways, where is it? Where is it? What did I type in again? 9? Enter. Wrong direction, bro. Wrong direction. Yeah, perfect. There. There we go. That's right. Click, click, click. 1. Enter. Yeah. Don't worry, I'll maybe someday get it to fix. Someday I might be able to fix it, but at the moment I'm not able to. Yeah. If I put it to 180, will it still not move? No, it will still not move. Maybe I need to have it at 180 and make it turn 130. Maybe then it will work. 160, I mean. Nope, it still won't work. We're going in... I forgot I need to do math for this shit. Enter, make it kind of look like it maybe spins. Then do this again. Make it 180 this time. Enter. Then copy this again. And make the rotation 90. Enter. Now we have this all come together don't think it needs to be this wide. Does it? How does it actually? It, it won't go that far though. And like I need to change the thing a little bit so the rotation. Yeah. What if I put 10? 10 is way too little. Firstly, we need to figure out what the reach would be of this. So we're just gonna maybe go ahead, change the color code a bit. Then we see how far it actually reaches, which is not that far. And we put this to 10. Why do we put it to 10? I don't know. We just put it to 10. Don't question me. I'm the one working, not you. Alright. Jesus, what is wrong with me? Yeah, that's really good. That's good. You just need to make it not be able to hit user. It can hit user. So, single target. No, everyone. Everyone be dying. Yeah. The target will just be burnt to a crisp. Yeah. Well, YouTube beam kind of stays longer, doesn't it, right? Yeah. It stays like for 4 seconds max, I think. 4 seconds. Also here, 4 seconds. 4 seconds. How long the hitbox? Damage, debris, time. Where's the time? Where is the fucking time of this shit? Why is there no time? Yeah, well then we'll change the direction lock to 4 seconds, and the same thing was just done for no. Actually, these you can move after. It's just 33. Yeah, you can actually move after, so it doesn't really matter now, does it? So you guys saw what I had in. How do I zoom in again? E. There. I need to use shift lock, otherwise I can't really walk with this. It 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the 5. We need to use the we need to change the hollow purple as the hollow red. We need to, instead of here, we're gonna go ahead, go down here. Fine. Fucking shit, I can't lie, bro. Alright, I'm just gonna scroll down with my finger. Yeah. We just gotta go ahead and click, 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 click. Get this open. What was the idea again? But 8-4. Why is this square so big? Damn, why is the square getting so big? Alright, we're gonna put 8, 4, 5, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 7. 3, 3, 5. 3, 2. No, 3. Yeah, 3, 2. And it's way too big right now. Gotta make. Why is it so giant? Why did I make it so giant? One is, I think, enough. Wait, one. Enter. No, one is not enough. 0 point fucking 5, man. Enter. 0 5. Enter bank. Damn, why is it so big? This word didn't work, so I needed to make it big, but this is giant. Should I keep the size of the square here? Right here? Should I make it smaller? I'm gonna make it a bit smaller, like 3. Going to let's stay at 3, bro. The size is so stupid. This size is so fucking stupid, man. I don't know why, but it's so funny to me to see the. What's up? Have you added me? I'm back. Have you? The hell? Oh no, clashes. Turn on my phone. I might have just made this thing. Oh, the speed of this is pissing me off. I cannot lie, literally it's pissing me off so damn much. Yo, I can't with this shit. I gotta and it. Oh god. Yeah. Twins rolls as well. What? Yeah. Do y'all think the speed of red is too fast? I think I made it a little bit too fast. Wait, is there a thing? Anyway, no, maybe not. Maybe, what if I search up? Where? Nope. What is this music, bro? I'm looking for the sound ID, man. Not fucking songs. Do you mean reversal rate? Yes, I do. I'm shitty at typing, alright. Way too loud, anyways. 360 degrees, blah 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 blah. I don't know, man. Do you think it will work now? Bam. It doesn't. We gotta fix the potential. Try. Boop, boop, boop. Red. No, not caps locks. Red. Enter. We got red. We have this now. We go down, down, down. And now we're gonna turn it to red. 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 Enter. Red. Winter. Yeah. Position. Blah 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 blah. Size. I think the size was a little too big, wasn't it? Maybe I did. Maybe it was because of the size. I might have. It might have been because of the size. Yeah. I think it was because of the size, bro. Maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. There's gonna be 70 damage. Debris. I'm gonna do 5. Bullet explosion. Blockable. No. Hit. Kill. Hit user now. Continue. Yes. Catch. Stores projectile and catch on hit, making projectile tag on it even after it's gone. One is good show thing. So, this shit fires really fast, bro. It's at 3.59. Alright. Click, 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 click. 3.59. There we go. Enter. That is the weight. What was it? It was 360. The wind, right? 360. Right, bro? Jesus! The light! Wait a second, I'm gonna be right back. Wait till way too much light in my there. It still doesn't want to file. I think he's the capital 5. Maybe I just need to put the projectile here. Yep, now it works. It works. Yep. Finally. Took me long enough to figure out I need to do that. Jesus. Fuck. Again, I do not want to say that all the time, but I keep saying it and I keep getting mad about it. The counter. Not right now, maybe. Maybe later. Sort through. Victim. Triple sentence hit. Oof. And since we hit him, the thing is, what happens will be they take it. Velocity. Now there we go on. I can't. There. Click. They be going backwards. So 9. No, maybe 10. The 4 should be maybe 5, 50. I don't know, maybe. And it will go for 2 seconds. Don't know. No ragdoll because they always are ready. Hey. I just heard a noise. I don't know what it was, but Hellhammer, bro. Oh my god. Forgot about this. Bonk. Bonk. Yeah. Alrighty. Shift. No viewers. Sad. Me is now sad. Alright, now we do have to you get a different move that is like in the, let's make it 8. 8 it is. Death. Enter. We'll have name death. Yeah. So, firstly, comparisons. While used, it will replace move if occupied. Yes, it prevent from override. Yes, hide and base, use when obtained. Use on death. No sun, no cancel. Timeline. The thing is, what will happen is, it will kind of play an animation like I don't know firstly. I don't know where it is, like does this work? Second one. Go. Nope. No. I don't know what it's called. It's not psychic run thing. What is I hate you? Eh. You or is it called, man? Okay. Little Mito emotes. Nope, not getting copyright. I'm trying to figure out what it, how to, what the what the name is, man. So I will need to use language some. Where it's just I do not know the fucking walking animation. I'm trying to figure out the message class home. Obviously. Library stage. Wait a second. Alright, my friends, I'm gonna need to end stream for now. I'll see you later, though. Goodbye, have a great day. This was the development on my moveset. Hope you have a great day today.